Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a drop-down menu or you're looking for what we call a nested menu, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to know over here is that on the left-hand side, you can see online store, and you're going to click on the little eyeball icon that says view your online store, and this is what it currently looks like. You can see at the top there's home, catalog, contact, and men's items. So we're going to go, just for example, I'm going to go back to this page, and on your left hand side you're going to now click on online store. Now once you click on online store, it'll give you a menu, and we're going to go down and look for navigation. Now once you're in navigation, this is where you will basically be able to manage everything about the movement of the page on your Shopify store. So right from here you can see that there's menu items over here, and there's a menu item that says main menu, and we're going to tap on that. Now from here you can see all of those menu items that I had shown you on the top of my store. We're going to go ahead now, and if you don't have an existing menu item that you would like to nest underneath a main item, we're going to go and click on add menu item. Right over here on the right hand side, you will now be able to give it a name, and then also a link as to where it is actually going to be found, so which page it's going to be found. So I'm going to put it under collections and all collections, and we're going to go to the bottom of the page and tap on add. Now you can see there's men's and women's. This could be men's clothing, accessories, whatever the case may be, and now we want to nest these items. So just on the left hand side there are 6 dots, and once you put your cursor over it, your cursor becomes a hand. Now you can click down and you can actually move it where you want it to actually be displayed. Now let's say we want to go under catalog, and the blue line is now underneath catalog. Now if you move your mouse cursor to the right hand side, you will see that there is a dot that actually moves in, and you can see now that this woman's item is underneath catalog. Now if you want to give it a further drop down menu from women's, let's say we have women's clothing, women's accessories, whatever the case may be, we're going to now go ahead and let's just take, for example, this item. We're going to click down and we can now go underneath women's and move it to the right, and it'll actually give the option to put that drop down menu underneath the previous one. So once you go into category, you will see women's, and once you are in women's, you will see men's, which you can now edit and make whatever you need to make. You can go up to the top right hand side of the screen, tap on save, and if you go back to this page over here, you can just refresh your page, and you will now actually be able to see that underneath catalog you will have your drop down menu, and then your further drop down menu, which is then your nested items. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.